ENHYPEN fans are demanding fair treatment for the group Japanese member Nikki following a troubling incident that occurred at the airport yesterday. So let's break down what happened. So on January 31st, all 7 members of the K-pop group ENHYPEN departed from Incheon International Airport for a promotional schedule in Hong Kong. But during their departures, fans noticed something very concerning. So when photos and videos from the airport start circulating online, they show that ENHYPEN's Maknae Nikki standing behind a pillar positioned to hide himself from the media and cameras. And according to the fans, this was not Nikki's personal choice to do so, and many believes that B-Lift Lab deliberately instructed Nikki to do this because of his Japanese nationality. So why was Nikki allegedly instructed to hide at the airport? Here's the reason for this. So this incident came at a particularly sensitive time, as when political tension between Japan and China have been escalating, and since ENHYPEN is expected to attend the event connected to China, fans believe that company attempted to avoid controversy by hiding the Nikki. And company this decision started immediate backlash within the fans. Fans have emphasized that Nikki's existence is not a crime and are calling out what they see as a discriminatory treatment towards Nikki. ENHYPEN fans took to social media to defend Nikki, stating clearly that being Japanese is not something to be ashamed of. Many fans argue that if Nikki cannot be treated equally, he should not attend the event at all rather than being hidden. Fans are also emphasizing that ENHYPEN is a 7 members group and that every members deserve equal respect and visibility. Hashtag demanding fair treatment for Nikki are now trending across the social media platform, reflecting ENHYPEN's fans' deep disappointment and frustrations towards the company. So what do you think about this situation? Let me know your thoughts in the comment, and don't forget to like or subscribe for more K-pop updates.